OnePlus Nord confirmed to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC. OnePlus Nord is the company's upcoming affordable smartphone, and despite its limited pre-orders being live earlier today in select markets, the phone is still largely a mystery. Now, the company's co-founder Carl Pei has revealed that it will be powered by Snapdragon 765G SoC, something that has also been confirmed by Qualcomm's UK unit in a tweet. Carl Pei divulged the presence of the Qualcomm's mid-range 5G SoC in the Nord in an interview with an online publication. As per a report by TechRadar, Carl Pei confirmed that the OnePlus Nord was powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC. While Snapdragon 765G is not as powerful as the flagship Snapdragon 800 series processors from Qualcomm, it will help to keep the phone's price down without compromising too much on performance. Including a 5G chipset in the OnePlus Nord is more about ease of mind, Pei told TechRadar. Talking about the cameras on the OnePlus Nord, Pei said, "We've seen that camera is probably the most used feature of a smartphone. It's the #1 use case, so if we wanted to create a great product, the camera had to be great. With the OnePlus Nord we're bringing a flagship-level camera to the mid-range price range, which I think consumers are going to be really excited by. This suggests that the OnePlus Nord will take cues from the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro in the camera department." As mentioned, almost everything about the OnePlus Nord is a mystery right now. Past leaks, however, have suggested the phone will come with up to 12 GB of RAM, quad rear camera setup, and a dual selfie camera setup. Additionally, OnePlus Nord will cost less than $500, roughly 37,800 rupees. As per the OnePlus UK website, where the phone was up for pre-order, has sold out for today, but there will be 2 more rounds of pre-orders, one on July 8 and another on July 15. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.